Hey, what's up gang? It's Brian B and Miss Megan. In this video, we're going to talk about the starter step. And just if you haven't noticed, we are here on the southernmost beach in Key West, Florida, trying out a new camera. And we're trying to think of a topic for you, and we're having trouble getting started. Hey. You like that? So we're going to talk about the starter step. So what is the starter step? Well, in West Coast Swing, when we learn in beginner class, a lot of times we just take this beginner posture, and that's totally normal because you're going to learn the starter step and you're only going to use it at the beginning. But in all the rest of our partner dances, we take a more European swing hold. This is our ballroom hold. So that is where I'm in closed position on Megan's left shoulder. And a couple different versions of starter steps you're going to see, and we're going to explain to you our preference. We have a triple to my left and a triple to my right before we start the dance, right? That's one option. The second option, this is very common, you're going to see no triple steps, triple step and triple step, meaning I'm just going to sway for 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're using the first 4 beats. Here's my preference, and then we'll talk through a couple of different things that you need to think about. My preference is to do a triple step to my left, triple step, and then we're going to use the anchor step in place to anchor and create that away connection before we go on, right? So things you're going to see, the triple left, triple right, that's kind of gone, I would say. That's been gone for a little while. The triple step to my left and the anchor is really kind of West Coast swingy, but what you're going to see a lot of is these 2-beat increments. Actually, you're going to see a lot of them. They're going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 before they start, right? Now, what I'm doing in this, and Megan doesn't have a microphone because of our setup here. You do not.
I do not.
Yeah, is that we're both sensing one another. So right here as I put my hand on Megan, I'm sensing, is she connecting to me? In this case, she is. So little ESPN 360 cam, you want to put your left side back into that hand. And I say left side because, Megan, if you put your right side back, it falls off, right? So you're going to put your left side back into that hand. So when we triple to my left, she's stuck in there, triple step. Now the left side for her is still back. So as she anchors away, we're able to stretch. Now, there's going to be a problem, especially if you're new. So this is the more advanced version. On the first triple or the first 2 beats, whether you do the sway, sway. Megan's being lost, but there's what is that, a rooster?
Rooster!
It's a rooster. They're all over here in Key West. Fun fact, I used to have a rooster outside my house for 7 years, so I was wondering why it was familiar here. But during the first 2 steps on my triple, I want to collect Megan in, triple step. That way I have enough length in my right arm to allow her to move away. If we look at that from the other side and we don't get pecked at by a bird, on the first triple we're moving towards each other, triple step, so we're close so we can stretch away. Now Megan's not right hand and we can take off with whatever you want. And so here's a couple different options to start your dance. After that first triple, as a chicken walks back, why did the chicken cross the beach? I have no idea. There's a couple different options. We can go triple and anchor. Left side pass is the easiest. Left side pass is the easiest, right? If I would say from a more advanced level, there's 2 common patterns where you're going to see a triple and an anchor, and then I'm going to make Megan spin out of this, right? And then what you saw a minute ago was me tuck turn Megan, because if I get this good connection right here, triple step, I don't even need my left hand. I can lead a tuck. And those are some good ways to start your dance. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed learning a little bit about the starter step here from Key West, but if you want to learn some patterns, specifically inside turn patterns you can do after the starter step, you'll want to watch this video right here. It's 7 inside turns that I bet you didn't know. They're really cool. It's a 2-minute video. We're going to fly through them. You can click there and watch it. If you haven't yet visited our website, West Coast Swing Online, you can do that over here. It's the coolest thing since sliced bread. We'll see you on a dance floor or a beach soon.